Hello friends, myself Prakash. Today I will discuss derivatives of trick. This trick is very useful and very helpful. Let's see. Given that y is equal to x to the power x up to infinite, find derivatives. First, y is equal to x to the power x up to infinite is equal to y. So I will put this replace y. So y is equal to x to the power y. So function to the power function, we take logarithm both side. So log y is equal to log x to the power y. That is equal to y log x. So log y is equal to y log x. Differentiate both sides with respect to x, we get 1 by y dy by dx is equal to u into b, u derivative v constant plus u constant v derivative. So dy by dx constant log x plus y constant log x 1 by x. So dy by dx taking common, we get dy by dx 1 by y minus log x is equal to y by x. So dy by dx LCM is y. So 1 minus y log x is equal to y by x. Then dy by dx is equal to y by x multiplication cross multiplication, y is equal to 1 minus y log x. We get y square divided by x whole into 1 minus y log x. This is equal to dy by dx. This is my final answer. Please note. Another question, y is equal to sin x to the power sin x up to infinite, find dy by dx. Y is equal to sin x to the power sin x up to infinite, this is equal to y, so sin x to the power y. So function to the function, we take logarithm both sides. So log y is equal to log sin x power is equal to y log sin x. So differentiate both sides with respect to x, we get 1 by y dy by dx is equal to dy by dx log sin x plus y 1 by sin x log x derivative 1 by x derivative sin x derivative cos x. So dy by dx taking common 1 by y minus log sin x is equal to y cos x by sin x cos x. So dy by dx is equal to 1 minus y log sin x divided by is equal to y cos x. So dy by dx is equal to this dy by dx y cos x divided by y square is equal to 1 by y log x. This is my answer. Y square cot x divided by 1 minus y log sin x. But trick is very simple. When y is equal to f of x power up to infinity, then dy by dx is equal to y square divided by 1 minus y log f of x into f dash x divided by f of x. So given that y is equal to x to the power x up to infinite, so dy by dx simply dy by dx is equal to y square divided by 1 minus y log f of x, that is equal to x. Then derivative of f of x derivative is equal to 1. divided by f of x. This is the answer. So simply this is equal to y square divided by x whole into 1 minus y log x. This is the answer. Similarly, y is equal to sin x power sin x up to infinite is equal to y square divided by 1 minus y log sin x. Derivative of sin x is equal to cos x divided by sin x. This is equal to cos x. This is the answer. Similarly, to the power x to the x up to infinite is equal to y square divided by 1 minus y log to the power x. To the power x derivative is equal to the power x by to the power x. This is equal to y square divided by 1 minus y log to the power x. This is my process. Please note. If you like my video, please click on like button. If you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.